Credit score and home buying. That's what we're going to talk about today. When it comes to buying a home, your credit score plays a pivotal role. It directly impacts your ability to secure a mortgage and significantly affect the interest rate you receive. Again, in this article, we'll jump into the relationship between the credit score and home buying and exploring how it influences your mortgage approval and providing strategies to improve that. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is understanding your credit score. Now, your credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness and financial history, if you did not know. It is typically calculated based on the information in your credit reports from 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The most commonly used credit scoring model is called the FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850. And here's generally how they're categorized. Anything 800 and above is usually very great. Very good is considered 740 to 799. Good credit, if you want to call it that, is 670 to 739. Fair is 580 to 669, and poor is anything below 580. So if you kind of dibble and dabble with like Credit Karma and things like that, you probably have seen that before. But that's just to give you a little bit of info on how your score works. The impact of credit score on mortgage approval. Your mortgage eligibility. Lenders use credit scores to determine your eligibility for a mortgage. A higher credit score often results in more favorable loan terms, such as a lower interest rate or a smaller down payment requirement. Your interest rates. The interest rate on your mortgage is directly tied to your credit score. Borrowers with higher scores generally qualify for lower rates, which can save you thousands of dollars over the lifetime of the loan. Loan options. Your credit score also affects the type of mortgage loans you have access to. Borrowers with great credit often have a wider range of loan options to choose from, including conventional loans, FHA loans, and VA loans. Strategies to improve your credit score. If your credit score isn't where you would like it to be, do not panic. There are several strategies you can implement to boost your creditworthiness. First one, obviously you want to check your credit reports. You want to get a free credit report from one of the 3 bureaus. You want to make sure there aren't any errors or anything, any things that should not be on there. Secondly, you want to pay your bills on time. That's probably the first thing you really want to do. You also want to reduce your credit card balances. You want to try to keep that below 30% if at all possible. Do not close any old accounts. Having a longer credit history does help. Don't open any new accounts. Don't try to go buy a car or finance anything. That's really a big no-no. But you also want to diversify your credit as well. Having a mix of credit, different types of credit, such as installment loans, credit cards, a mortgage, things like that, that can also positively affect your credit score in the long run. Lastly, what you can do is you can seek a professional for advice on your credit. A lot of mortgage officers, loan officers today in today's world have a team in-house that kind of can give you suggestions or point you in the right direction for your credit goals. So that's really something that you really shouldn't have an issue doing. Even if you don't know where to start, you can go speak to a loan officer and they'd be more than happy to help you with that. All right, we went over a few important topics regarding your scores. By now you should know your credit score plays a crucial role into everything when it comes down to getting a mortgage and defining the terms of that mortgage. Understanding how your score impacts your home buying journey and taking steps to improve it can make a significant difference in the affordability and accessibility of home ownership. Start by checking your credit reports, make timely payments, reducing your credit card balance, and you're on your way to securing a mortgage and that suits